Here we are taking a look at an upper spring seat for all front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive models 1993 and newer. Now this is a real common failure on front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive models in the front end. What happens is the material disintegrates or cracks around the sleeve where your strut shaft runs through. And what that does is it leads to unwanted clunks, going over bumps, when turning corners, braking or accelerating. We don't like that. Also, it's not that great to install because this does lead to heavy labor bills when replacing the spring seat as it sits on top of the strut assembly in the front of your vehicle. So what IPD's done is we've gone above and beyond and made an HD version. It was really common for people to upgrade their standard spring seats to the ones that were used on XC90s. We took it a step further and actually reinforced the sleeve on the inside of the spring seat. We use a lot more virgin material compared to what Volvo used in their upper spring seats. But this is a great choice, especially if you're looking to put it in your car one time and just not worry about it and save yourself some money and labor. If the HD upper spring seat sounds like something that you want to get from IPD, take a look at our website for all the vehicle fitments and applications. We definitely got these for your car and it's a great choice.